Hey, this is Rich from Newschoolpiano. We're going to do, for Jacqueline, we're going to do how to make major chords, minor chords, and a couple other things real quick. All right, starting with C. C is going to be the root note. That's called the first. The E is the third, and the G is the fifth. This is a very quick way of making any major chord. If you look at the C chord, you notice there are three notes that are not played in between the first and third, and there's two notes that are not between the third and the fifth. So if you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, otherwise known as first, third, fifth. Second thing, if you want to make a minor chord, any minor chord, all you do is flat the third. Next chord is a major seventh. All that is a C major chord or major chord, and you take the major seventh, which is a half step down from the octave, okay? Another one real quick, we're doing this super quick. We're gonna make a suspended 4 chord. Take that same chord and you move the third up a half step. That's a suspended fourth, C, F, G. So, very quickly, major, flat the third, minor, back to major, sharp the third, make a suspended fourth. Major seventh is a half step down from the octave. Have fun practicing. Jacqueline, I want you to play piano. Bye.